Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss most important MCQs in biochemistry part 3rd. The tertiary structure of a protein describes option A, the order of amino acids, B, location of disulfide bonds, C, loop regions of proteins, and option D, the ways of protein folding. So the correct option is D, the ways of protein folding. Explanation is the tertiary structure refers to the 3D folding of a single polypeptide chain stabilized by interactions like hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic effects, and disulfide bridge. The primary structure of fibroin, the principal protein of silkworm fibers, consist of option A glycine, B aspartate, C keratin, and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is A glycine. Silk fibroin has a repeating sequence of glycine and alanine, making it highly flexible and strong. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So this is very important MCQs. In a protein molecule, the disulfide bond is not broken by option A reduction, B oxidation, C denaturation, and option D X-ray diffraction. So the correct option is D, X-ray diffraction. Explanation is disulfide bonds are broken by reduction. For example, beta-mercaptoethanol or denaturation, but X-ray diffraction is just an imaging technique and does not break bonds. So the technique for purification of proteins that can be made specific for a given protein is option A gel filtration chromatography, B ion exchange chromatography, C electrophoresis, and option D affinity chromatography. So the correct option is D affinity chromatography. Affinity chromatography uses a ligand, for example antibodies, substrate, to bind and purify the target protein specifically. So denaturation of proteins result in option A disruption of primary structure, B breakdown of peptide bonds, C destruction of hydrogen bonds, and option D irreversible changes in the molecule. So the correct option is C, destruction of hydrogen bonds. Denaturation disrupts secondary structure and tertiary structure hydrogen bond hydrophobic interactions, but does not break peptide bond, mean primary structure. Ceruloplasmin is option A alpha 1 globulin, B alpha 2 globulin, C beta globulin, and option D none of these. So the correct option is B alpha 2 globulin. Ceruloplasmin, a copper carrying protein, is classified as alpha 2 globulin. So this is very important MCQs. Serum LDL is increased in option A obstructive jaundice, B hepatic jaundice, C hemolytic jaundice, and option D malabsorption syndrome. So the correct option is A obstructive jaundice. Obstructive jaundice mean biliary blockage, increases LDL due to impaired bile excretion and cholesterol metabolism. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A lipoprotein associated with high incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is option A LDL, B VLDL, C IDL, and option D HDL. So the correct option is A LDL. Explanation is LDL bad cholesterol deposits cholesterol in arteries, leading to the atherosclerosis. A simple protein found in the nucleoproteins of the sperm is option A keratin, B protamine, C glutathione, and option D globulin. So the correct option is B protamine. Protamine, small arginine rich protein, replace histones and sperm chromatin. A lipoprotein inversely related to the incidence of coronary atherosclerosis is option A VLDL, B IDL, C LDL, and option D HDL. So the correct option is D HDL. Explanation is HDL good cholesterol, high density lipoprotein, which is remove excess cholesterol from arteries, reducing atherosclerosis risk. Familial hypertriacylglycerolemia is associated with option A overproduction of VLDL, B increased LDL concentration, C increased HDL concentration, and option D slow clearance of chylomicron. Correct option is A overproduction of VLDL. This disorder involves excessive VLDL secretion by liver, raising blood triglyceride level. For synthesis of prostaglandin, the essential fatty acid give rise to a fatty acid containing option A 12 carbon atom, B 16 carbon atoms, option C 20 carbon atoms, and option D 24 carbon atoms. So the correct option is C 20 carbon atoms. Prostaglandins are derived from arachidonic acid, which is containing 20 carbon fatty acid. Daily excretion of nitrogen by an adult man is about option A 1 to 2 gram, B 10 to 20 gram, C 5 to 10 gram, and option D 15 to 20 gram. So the correct option is C 5 to 10 gram. Normal nitrogen excretion is 10 to 20 gram urea per day, which is equivalent to 5 to 10 gram nitrogen. So this is very important MCQ. Aspirin inhibits the activity of the enzyme is option A lipoxygenase, B cyclooxygenase, C phospholipase 1A, and option D phospholipase A2. So the correct option is cyclooxygenase. Explanation is aspirin irreversibly inhibits cyclooxygenase, blocking prostaglandin synthesis. A suicide enzyme is option A cyclooxygenase, B lipoxygenase, C phospholipase 1A, and option D phospholipase A2. So the correct option is A cyclooxygenase. Cyclooxygenase is called as suicide enzyme because aspirin permanently inactivates it. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. The product of protein digestion and GIT is option A dipeptide, B tripeptide, C polypeptide, and option D amino acid. So the correct option is D amino acid. Proteases break protein and to free amino acids for absorption. So this is very important MCQs. Natural L isomers of amino acids are absorbed from the intestine. Option A, passive diffusion. B, simple diffusion. C, facilitated diffusion. And option D, active process. So the correct option is D, active process. Amino acids are absorbed via active transport. Abnormalities of blood clotting are option A, hemophilia. B, Christmas disease. C, gout. And option D, both A and B. So the correct option is D, hemophilia A, which is deficiency of factor 8, and Christmas disease, which is the deficiency of factor 9, are clotting disorders. A water soluble vitamin deficient in eggs is option A, thiamine. B, riboflavin. C, ascorbic acid. And option D, cobalamin. So the correct option is C, ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C. Eggs lack vitamin C, which must be obtained from fruits or vegetables. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Pulses are rich in option A, lysine. B, methionine. C, tryptophan. And option D, phenylalanine. So the correct option is A, lysine. Pulses are rich or high in lysine but low in methionine. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें. Milk is deficient in option A, vitamin B1. Option B, vitamin B2. Option C, iron. And option D, potassium. So the correct option is C, iron. For the synthesis of prostaglandin, the essential fatty acid gave rise to a fatty acid containing option A, 12 carbon atoms. B, 16 carbon atoms. C, 20 carbon atoms. And option D, 24 carbon atoms. So the correct option is C, 20 carbon atoms. Prostaglandin are derived from arachidonic acid, which contain 20 carbon fatty acid. Thank you for watching my videos.